Imagine a world where machines can understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Sounds like science fiction, or is it closer to reality than we think? Let's delve into the concept of artificial general intelligence, often abbreviated as AGI. Unlike the AI technology we're familiar with today, AGI isn't limited to performing specific tasks it's been trained for. Instead, AGI possesses the ability to understand, learn from, and carry out any intellectual task that a human can. It's like the difference between a tool and a companion. One is used for a specific job, while the other can adapt, learn, and grow with us. This isn't just about programming a machine to perform a task. It's about creating a machine that can think, reason, and learn just like a human. Are we already living in the age of AGI? We'll explore this and more. In the realm of AGI, we're not just talking about machines doing tasks. We're talking about machines thinking. A world run by AGI could be a utopia or a dystopia depending on how we handle it. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are automated, where the complexities of decision-making are entrusted to an advanced intelligence, where technological advancements are propelled to new heights. This could be the promising reality of a society flourishing under the influence of artificial general intelligence. Let's delve into the potential positive implications. AGI could revolutionize sectors from healthcare to transportation, pushing boundaries of what's technologically possible. Picture a world where AGI-powered robots perform intricate surgeries with precision surpassing human capabilities, or autonomous vehicles navigate roads safer and more efficiently than any human driver. The potential for AGI to transform our world is immense, offering us a vision of a future that's the stuff of science fiction. But, as with any technological leap, there's another side to the coin. The rise of AGI could lead to significant job displacement. Machines could outperform humans in many sectors, potentially leading to widespread unemployment. Additionally, decision-making power in the hands of AGI could stir up ethical dilemmas. Who's to say an artificial intelligence will make decisions in the best interest of humanity? Privacy concerns are another key issue. With AGI's potential to process and analyze vast amounts of data, there's a risk of misuse or mishandling of sensitive information. This could lead to unprecedented invasions of privacy with potentially harmful consequences. Lastly, there's the concern of AGI itself becoming too powerful. If AGI surpasses human intelligence, how can we ensure it will remain under our control? This question poses one of the greatest challenges in the development of AGI. So, we're faced with a double-edged sword. On one hand, AGI could bring about a future of convenience, progress, and unparalleled technological advancement. On the other, it presents significant challenges and risks, from job displacement to privacy concerns, and the daunting prospect of an intelligence beyond our control. The potential of AGI is enormous, but so are the challenges and risks it presents. The question on everyone's mind is, how close are we to achieving AGI? The journey towards artificial general intelligence, or AGI, has been an exhilarating roller coaster ride. It's a quest with a blend of remarkable achievements, intriguing possibilities, and profound challenges. While AI has made significant strides, the road to AGI is still a long and uncertain one. Pioneers in the field of AI have provided us with some fascinating insights. Some experts believe we are on the brink of a breakthrough, while others think we've barely scratched the surface. The truth, as it often is, probably lies somewhere in between. Let's consider the current state of AGI development. We've seen AI systems outperform humans in narrow tasks, such as playing chess or diagnosing certain medical conditions. But AGI, by definition, is about so much more. It's about a machine's ability to understand, learn, adapt, and apply its intelligence to any intellectual task that a human being can do, and that's a monumental leap. One of the biggest challenges in AGI development is the concept of understanding. You see, while current AI systems can analyze and process data at an astonishing rate, they lack a fundamental understanding of the world. They don't understand context, they can't make sense of abstract concepts, and they can't apply knowledge from one domain to another. Another hurdle is the ethical and societal implications of AGI. How do we ensure that AGI aligns with our values? How do we prevent misuse? These are complex questions that require thoughtful consideration and robust solutions. So where does that leave us? Well, it's safe to say that we're still some way off from achieving AGI, but the progress we've made so far is nothing short of astounding. We've developed machines that can learn, reason, and even create. We've pushed the boundaries of what's possible, and we're not slowing down. While we've made significant strides in AI, the road to AGI is still a long and uncertain one. But one thing's for sure, it's a journey that's as fascinating as it is challenging, and we're all along for the ride. If AGI is indeed our future, how do we prepare for this leap? This question lingers in the minds of many as we inch closer to the dawn of a new era, an era of artificial general intelligence. The first step towards preparing for AGI is establishing robust regulatory frameworks. Just as every other influential technology, AGI too should be regulated to ensure its benefits are widespread and its risks are kept at bay. Regulatory frameworks will provide the necessary checks and balances, ensuring that AGI is developed and deployed in a manner that is safe, ethical, and beneficial for all. But regulatory frameworks alone are not enough. We also need to consider the ethical implications of AGI. As we are dealing with intelligence that matches or even surpasses human intelligence, we need to be mindful about the ethical boundaries. We must ensure that AGI is developed with respect to human rights, privacy, and dignity. It's about ensuring that AGI doesn't become a tool for oppression or discrimination, but a tool for empowerment and equality. Lastly, it's about fostering public discourse. AGI is not just an issue for scientists, engineers, and policymakers. It's an issue for all of us. We all have a stake in the future of AGI. Therefore, it's crucial that we engage in open, inclusive, and informed discussions about AGI. Public discourse can help us demystify AGI, understand its implications, and shape its future in a way that aligns with our shared values and aspirations. There is no doubt that the journey towards AGI will be filled with challenges and uncertainties. But if we take the right measures, we can turn these challenges into opportunities. Opportunities to create a future where AGI enhances our capabilities, solves our problems, and elevates our humanity. Preparing for AGI is not just about technological advancements, it's about shaping a future that benefits all of humanity. So let's embrace AGI with caution, curiosity, and hope. After all, the future of AGI is the future of us. The future of artificial general intelligence is not just up to scientists and policymakers, it involves us all. Diving deep into the realm of AGI, we can see that it is a field that is not only fascinating but also complex and filled with potential. The possibilities that AGI could bring to our world are vast and varied, from transforming our industries to revolutionizing our personal lives. But as with any leap forward in technology, it also comes with its own set of challenges and considerations. As we ponder the potential of AGI, we must also think about its implications. How will it change our societies? How will it impact our jobs, our education, our day-to-day lives? And most importantly, how can we ensure that AGI is developed and used in a way that benefits us all, rather than a select few? To navigate these complex questions, we need a chorus of voices, not just a solo. We need the thoughts, ideas, and insights of everyone. And that includes you. So what do you think? How do you envision the future with AGI? What opportunities and challenges do you see? How do you think we can best prepare for this new era? Your thoughts matter. Your ideas matter. And your voice in this conversation is vital. The future of AGI isn't something that's just happening to us. It's something we're actively shaping together. Public discourse is vital in shaping the future of AGI. It's through these conversations that we can ensure a future where AGI serves the best interests of humanity. So, let's start the conversation. Let's engage in thoughtful discourse, let's challenge each other's ideas, and let's shape the future of AGI together. So I ask you again, what are your thoughts on AGI? How do you see it shaping our future? And how can we best prepare for it? Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.